So there's this episode in Black Mirror called Joan is Awful.
New drama, Joan is Awful.
I'm sure some of you have already seen it.
Joan is awful.
So she's sitting on the couch, she's watching Netflix, and she is essentially just watching an entire life version of herself. Everything she's doing is being captured and recorded. So she gets on the phone, she speaks to her lawyer. How is this possible? Why am I being recorded? And then her lawyer goes through the terms and conditions and says, well, you kind of agreed to it. And then she goes back and she says, no, I didn't. And then he said, yes, you did. And so basically, this is what that video is about. So here's the thing, the technology in that video actually does exist. It's just not in a way that you probably think and not in the way that it has been portrayed in the actual episode. But by the end of this episode, I'm going to share with you a couple of things about AI that you probably didn't already know. And if you did, cool, it's validating, I suppose. I want you to be able to understand what AI model training actually is and how it's ingested in your real life day to day without you even realizing. So let's kick it off.